So, this is what I look like without makeup. Pretty scary. I actually just took my very first Go Figure class, and that's to take care of my lower extremities. I really kind of had a lot of fun this summer, and it reflected very well or very badly in my thighs. So I've got to get back on the bandwagon yet again, but I'm working it, and I took a class today, and according to the instructor, I actually did pretty well, so I don't know, whatever. But in honor of the talk, yes, I am going makeup-free Monday, although today it's not Monday yet, but this is what I look like without makeup. My hair is just absolutely lovely, but not so bad. I'm getting a little bit older, so my eyelids kind of droop over my eyes, and I need to kind of do the brows a little bit, but I'm usually a no makeup, nearly no makeup type of person, and you know what? If you feel good about yourself, you wind up looking good all the way out, and then, put a little makeup on, you look terrific. So this is how I look. Tune in this Monday on The Talk when the ladies go makeup free, and if you want to share a photo or a video, tweet me at RollMommy and let me see how you look like, what you look like without makeup. Thanks.